Welcome back to my channel. Ayan, nakikita niyo yan, kangkong yan. Dahil for this episode, magluluto tayo ng ginisang kangkong with mushroom and oyster sauce. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell and feel free to comment mga Mars. Ayan, everybody, ito na yung ating mga ricado. Simple lang, we just need garlic and then onion, mushroom, butter, syempre yung kangkong natin kasama. Ayan na, nahugasan na natin. At saka kailangan laging i-wash ang mga vegetable ha, especially itong kangkong. Bago natin iluto, wash muna. And then we have oyster sauce. Yan. So ito lang yung need natin na basic. Yung iba naman pampalasa, mamaya na yan pag niluluto na natin. First, unahin natin ang butter and then garlic and onion. Tsaka lang natin ilalagay ang mushroom at ang kangkong kapag golden brown na yung ating garlic and onion. And it's ready. Luto na ang ating ginisang kangkong recipe with mushroom and oyster sauce. Pwede na nating i-prepare. Napakadali lang and napakasarap na ulam. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel mga Mars. Like nyo na yung video and also watch my other episodes, recipes at iba pang topics. Subscribe to my channel and feel free to comment.